everyone, it's me, Sally, Crafting Gal Sal. I'm back. It's been quite some time, I apologize, but my life has been kind of busy since school started, and I don't like busy. I like relaxing and being able to play in my craft room. So anyway, I'm back. I've been making soap lately, and I'll have a video soon on just how I make soap, but anyway, I just use the melt and pour type of soap base because that's easy to do and I don't have to mess with lye or anything like that. But these are some soaps that I made, and I am packaging them up so that I can give them as gifts, and I just thought I'd show you how I do the poor man's shrink wrap and how I package these up. So all you need is some pretty soaps, you need just cheap plastic wrap, and you need a heat gun, and I just use my heat gun that I use for embossing powders. So I'm just gonna get yourself some of this El Cheapo plastic wrap, and it's so cheap it doesn't want to cut very well. That's okay, because this is the poor man's, and I'm laying it out flat. I'm going to take one of my bars of soap and I'm going to lay it pretty side down, and I don't know if you can see that, I kind of put it off of the edge there. So I'm just going to wrap it up there and bring this side down, fold it over like that, and now I'm going to get my scissors and just cut this excess off. These scissors are not very good, but they're good enough for what I'm doing here. So I'm just cutting that excess off there because you don't want a lot of excess plastic. I'm going to save this one and wrap one of the round soaps with that. And then I'm going to cut some of that off, fold this in. And I'm going to do the same thing. Well, this side looks like it'll work okay. So I'm just going to fold those over just like that, so you don't have a lot of excess. And now I'm going to take my heat gun and gently blast this back part. Just kind of wave it over, and don't hold it on too long or you may end up melting your soap. Then I'm going to go around the side, side, and side, and then flip it over to the top. And another little blast on the back, and there's the poor man's shrink wrap. So that's pretty nice. Now I'm going to do one of my rounds. Same thing. Put the decorated side down and just fold up your sides. And I don't have to cut that because it's short enough. Fold these sides in. I kind of wish that was a little bit longer on the side, but it's still going to do fine. Fold this side over, and now I'm going to blast it with my heat gun. Put my fingers in there. Okay, around the sides. And you can see the heat just causing this plastic to curl in and curl up. And then on the front. And again on the back. And there it is. Poor man's shrink wrap. Isn't that great? So then I just take my two pieces and sandwich them that way. So I've got a pretty side on the bottom and a pretty side on the top. I've already pre-cut just some wrapping paper that I found at Hobby Lobby that I fell in love with. So this is just a 2-inch wide cut because I thought that looked nice and fit over there nicely. And then I'm going to just take my Dairy permanent tape runner, put some on the end, fold it up again so that those two edges meet. And now I love raffia. I love using raffia in my wrapping. So I'm just going to cut some of this raffia off and just wrap it up like I would any other package. Tie it. Just like that. And now it's ready to put some kind of a little tag on it. I'm just doing these real simple tags that I made just with some stickers that I got from this little pack I also found at Hobby Lobby, who doesn't pay me anything for plugging them. Anyway, so I just made some little tags using that, and I can just write something on the back for whoever I give it to. But that's it. That's how you do Poor Man's Shrink Wrap for your homemade soaps or whatever. I guess it would work with anything that you wanted to wrap up. So there you go, and I hope you have a fun day of crafting. And until next time, I will see you later. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.